Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw a castle today. Let's get started.
History, a living dream.
Yellow, green, red, blue, teal color, purple, pink, blue.
Sometimes at night, when all is still, I hear whispers dance and echo until ghosts
Orange,
footsteps on the floor, creaky hinge and door. I am the castle, strong and grand, a mighty fortress upon this land.
pink,
Centuries pass, the stones still cling, witnessed in history.
yellow, red color,
Sunlight filters through windows, tall and shadows dance across my hall. Children run,
jade blue color,
pretend to battle beneath my eyes. Gargoyles watch with stony eyes.
green,
Guardians, tales and mysteries. I sing kingdoms rising and empires fall, but through it all I still stand tall. The stones may crumble, the towers may lean.
lemon yellow color.
Always
Thank you for watching.